In this section of my video, we'll be going through the concept of magnification, deriving the relations of magnification for convex mirrors. As we have gone through the magnification, the expression for magnifications for concave mirror forming real as well as virtual image, you should keep in mind that a convex mirrors always forms a virtual image. There is no real image which is formed by a convex mirror. Now, to start with, again, I'll make a case for a convex mirror. As I just said, that a convex mirror never forms a real image considering this as a pole, this as a focus and this as a center. Let us suppose this is an object which is kept in front of a convex mirror, which then forms a virtual image. Remember this point, that a convex mirror never forms a real image. It only and only forms a virtual image. Marking various positions as u represents the distance of the object, v represents the image distance, h1 represents the height of the object, and h2 represents the height of the image. Going for the relations, as h2 by h1 is equals to v by u. Now applying signs here, as you can simply observe that both object as well as the image are being formed on the upper side of the principal axis. Hence both object height and image height can be taken as positive. So here h2 by h1 will be positive. Similarly, talking about the image which is formed behind the mirror, so for the images which is formed behind the mirror, the image distance to be taken as positive. The object is kept in front of the mirror, so measuring the object distance from pole, we need to move in a direction opposite to the direction of light. So the object distance can be taken as negative. So I'll apply a minus sign here. So you can observe the relation for magnification as h2 by h1 is equals to v by minus u. Moreover, you can observe that the image formed in this case is erect as well as smaller than the size of the object. Hence, magnification in this case will be less than 1. You will experience it if you will solve any case or any numerical which is related to it. So I hope you have understood this concept well, understood the case of convex mirror forming virtual image. Thank you.